Hi guys. Hello. Hello. Should I do ASMR? This is so weird. I'm literally sitting in the lawn and talking to myself. Why is my hair looking chopped up, man? Ugh, my hair is weird sometimes. It's fine. Anyways. Okay, no, this is. कैसा yuck. Better. Wow, my hair is looking yuck. I have no idea. I give up. I don't know, bro. Like, I tried transferring the videos to hello. I don't know, bro. Like, what is this, man? There has to be a limit, right? Like, how much I can be straight up ignored as a person completely within my existence. Like, what do you mean I am right there and I'm being completely ignored? Bro, there's a squirrel there and it's so cute. I went to go, okay, I made coffee, right? I was like, ugh. I feel like every time I make a video, it's just talking about how I didn't have a good day. Like, not necessarily bad, it's just not good. Like, literally, I got done with my jury, which went not bad, like quite good, on Wednesday. And then I had like Wednesday off because I got done by 1 o'clock itself. Then I had Wednesday off, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I should have gone home, man. I don't know. I was gonna make plans. I was gonna be like, oh, we'll go to cafes with friends. I don't have friends. Like, I do have friends, but not the type to make after class plans with. I feel like everybody actually just doesn't like me. Like, not even just doesn't like me. I don't know what people think of me. I am actually curious what people think of me. Like, what do they see me as? Like that little girl who explodes at times? Like, who just suddenly gets mad, or the girl who's into K-pop and all, and anime and all that? Or, I don't know. Like, because I don't know what people think of me, I find it weird, awkward to approach them and be like, hey, you want to make these plans? Because we haven't chatted in a while. Of course, I have these friends of mine. I do have friends and acquaintances, and I do consider them to be good people and think of them in a nice, like, in a good regard. But then I get conflicted being like, do they actually want to spend time with me? What will they think if I reach out? What will they think if I just be like, hey, you want to go out today? For random thing. I feel like we haven't been able to spend a lot of time to get to know each other, to make random impromptu plans, which is something I need. And I really miss Archie and Dia. Actually, these two people, when it comes to coffee dates and getting out for impromptu plans, I miss you guys so much. Like, genuinely, this is like this ground right now where I'm sitting, completely empty, perfectly green, perfect sunlight, like everything. It is like because there's like a sunlight falling at a specific angle. I wish I could capture it and show it exactly how it is, but like there's one part which is like cool green and the other part which is warm green. Like, you can see the difference in like the trees also, in the lawn also. everything. It's so like, look at the tree piche, bro. It's so pretty. Yeah, really miss them. I tried making so I was like, wanted to get out. I got bored. I can't explain how bored I was. I was so bored. I was like, bro, give me something to do. Even if it's your assignment, I'll do it. I'll fuck it up, but let me do it, please. Let me do something. I felt like killing something. I get so, you know, that feeling when you have too much energy in your body and you need to let it out in one way or another. And that one way or another has to be like a aisa motion where you're actively putting a lot of what is physics into motion using Newton's laws of motion to what mass into acceleration equals to force. That is what I want to do. Have mass of good amount and nice acceleration also, so I can apply force, but there is nothing to do for mass into acceleration equals to force. I want to take a hammer and go tuck, and not just tuck, go tuck. Oh my god, I'm feeling crazy. People are judging me. Thankfully, there aren't any people here. You know why there aren't any people? Because they're either bed rotting and taking rest, or they're out. I am a loser. I'm not a loser. This is actually just normal life where you don't have friends nor have anything to do. This is just life, bro. Like, I was so bored. I was looking at what to do, and all these white chicks came up on my feed being like, things to do when bored. And one of them was what? Go thrifting. Oh my god, make this DIY. Do clean you and rearrange your room. Dude, I live in a hostel. We aren't allowed to put up posters or stickers. First, no, can't happen. Second, I'm in Mumbai. Not Mumbai. Actually, I'm not in Mumbai anymore. I'm in Gujarat. You think there are thrift stores here? What do you mean thrift stores are? And what DIY, dude? I'm building shit out of actual materials like wood and glass. You want me to do DIY sadasa with Mod Podge? What is wrong with you? Crazy these people are. Get some plants. Nahi hai plants. I don't have enough water. I don't drink enough water myself. How am I gonna feed plant water? There are people here now. So yeah, I was making coffee and I needed ice because I don't have hot coffee. So I went to the mess to get ice. They were out of ice and I had already made my coffee, and it ended up being too strong and I didn't like it. And I added more water because it was too strong and it was so bad. I wanted good coffee, man. Good iced latte. Why is there not anything here? I hate Gandhinagar. I miss Mumbai. My mom asked me, what will you do even if you were in Mumbai right now? There would still be nothing to do as here. And I was like, girl, at least there's people there that actually can go to even random places. At least there are cafes. There are only sutta joints here. I want cafe. I want nice aesthetic. That is pass me within 300 rupees. Not that I have to pay 500 for travel and then 500 for food, for good aesthetic and vibes. Please. I want to paint my nails, but I'm feeling too lazy. And I only have black. I don't feel like talking. I feel like, what do you call? giving up. Just yeah. Okay, so here's the thing. I know the difference between loneliness and being alone. And sometimes I want to be alone and I want to go out because sometimes I don't want to listen to other people talking about random shit in their life. And I just want to get out. So I want to, and I try my best to. And in Mumbai it was of course easier because there was beach right there. I had an auto which was going by meter, and there were places to explore really nearby. But here I can't. There's nothing to do here. You need to have friends or a group of people to go with, especially if you want to go out to some actually good place. You need money for that. And it's not that I don't have money, come on. I understand that I'm this, whatever, blah blah blah. We are part of a still upper class living who do have money. And I'm not saying that I'm fucking rich. No. I'm just saying I don't want to spend that much money for a getaway. That will make me, of course it heals my soul, of course it makes me feel better, but I don't think the loss of money is more, what do you call, it hurts me more than the happiness that I get out from getting out. I saw a friend. So of course I'm like, yeah, I want to get out, but I don't have friends. It's sometimes I just want to be alone, but I still don't have any way to get out. Because here's the thing, I feel like some people definitely know the difference between alone and lonely, but not everybody does. And I feel like if you are not with someone, and you are alone, people are tend to read the situation as you being lonely. So like if I want to go to cafes, I feel very awkward going because I'm like, I'm alone. Then I feel like people are going to look at me and be like, oh my god, look at that girl, she has no friends, oh so sad, alas, pity. And I'm like, that actually happens, like that thought actually enters my brain being like, yaar, so pretty birds, so pretty. Can you see them? They're like, no, you can't see. Anyways, yeah, I don't mind being alone, but then the fact that people might see me as being lonely instead of alone really stops me, because like of course mom is like, "Arey, just go, man, go to UH, do something." But the thing is that people are there, people I know will be there because that is the only place I can hang out. Birdie is there. Birdie, why are you hopping? Are you injured? I think Birdie is injured. I love these birds, man. Lol, I accidentally stopped the video that I was shooting, but I think that one birdie is injured. Oh my god, my hair. But yeah, mom is like, oh, go out, it's fine, go akele. And I'm like, no man, I can't go akele because I feel like I'll see people there who are hanging out with their friends, and then me roaming alone without actually having anything to do there that actually makes me feel better, and just roaming for the sake of roaming does not make me feel better. I feel like I'm definitely being judged. Even though I know that people are not going to give it a second thought, I still feel it. That maybe they'll judge for like 10 seconds and then they'll move on. And not even judge, just think that, oh, why is she alone? Or, oh, what a blah, 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 blah. And that still I don't feel happy about. So I'm just like I'm just literally sitting here alone right now. Of course, there are other people also who just sit here for the calm. But then there are people who sit here with friends and play and like Yeah, that body is injured. Poor baby. I want to help. Aw. What was I saying? I was thinking something. Yeah, so like, you know, how the thought that, oh, somebody might be thinking about me, thinking about however I am, and I'm curious about what people think of me. I genuinely miss my friends. So like, there are friends and then there are friends, you know, like the people you have nothing but the purest form of love in your heart for. Like, I miss them so much, because whenever I think of them, I never think that, oh, they're gonna think of me in any way or judge me in any way or form, because they don't, and I'm never afraid to be with them. But here I am like anxious, being like, what are they gonna think, what are they gonna say, how are they gonna react, what expression are they making. I feel like I have to be calculative, like actually calculate what I say, and not even just that, I honestly think a lot, like how do people just say that, how are you so sure what to say at all times, like when you're with your friends or in front of faculty or whatever. Do you, like, sometimes I genuinely think that that is how calculative I have become. The injured body is struggling. You want help? I don't know how to help though. What do you want me to do? How do I help? Bro, I wish there was a vet here. Didi, sorry yaar. But still, that body is doing crazy good. Like, okay, so it's like balancing, because so like that body, it doesn't have one of its legs. I notice now, so it's like literally limping, and this type of bird hops, so it's like hopping, just to move around on the ground is hopping. And you know how it's balancing itself, because of course it's like one leg and all weight. Oh, I think a big bird came. I saw a shadow of big bird. That's why they're all flying away. So pretty, man. So pretty. Injured birdie flew. But yeah, so the birdie was like, of course it's on like one leg, so it's not able to stand straight, right? Like, of course, balance will be thoda aisa or whatever. So I don't know. But it is balancing itself by pushing its tail towards the other side to give it balance, like to adjust the weight. So it's like aisa. I don't know, but it was very fascinating. I want to read my books, but I swear to God, I feel so lazy now. I feel so lazy to do anything that doesn't give me instant dopamine. That's bad. I hate my phone. How do I break up with my phone? Should I shoot it? There's like, I feel like there's nothing exciting happening right now, and I'm happy for that. Like, I do enjoy this boring, but there has to be something like which is 5% more exciting, right? Maybe a movie. I saw like there is one movie that is actually interesting to me, like called Crime 101. Why is the only showing there in Palladium at 9 o'clock? Palladium at 9 a.m. हद है यार. Nobody's gonna make it. And then what? There are weird Gujju Gujarati, not Gujju Gujarati. There was actually something I saw, Gujju Gossip as a show, movie, whatever, event, what? Gujju Gossip. Nice. I don't know if it's a eagle or a hawk. I think it's a hawk. I saw a big bird fly. But yeah, Gujju Gossip as a meet and event. I don't know. I give up. I give up. Oh my god, it sees this. Oh my god, did they kiss? It's like copy paste.